My shoes are kind of nasty. Oh. Yeah, so, tutorial. We have To Trucks and a file. Yeah, so, take the truck, hold it where this little circly thing is right there. Take your file, and on this one, the grain is more rough when it's going up, so I'm gonna take it like this and rub it up against like that. There you go. Alright, and I'll come back to you with it finished. Alright, it's taking me about 5 minutes with this file and this piece of grip. So yeah, I would love to include that you should use a piece of grip against the side of the table, and yeah. Alright, you can see this is back in my throat. Ew. You can see the difference between this truck both trucks are done. Yeah. Now I will teach you how to shape it into a T. Have a piece of grip tape on the side of the table. Hold it so the T is like that, and run it across. Hold the truck switch straight up. Run it across like that, and then this will grind down into a T shape. Yeah, you should see a lot of differences between the truck. Alright, so it's been like an hour or 2 hours because I want the shaping to be perfect. Like, yeah. Actually, by shaping these, it makes my wheels spin a whole lot faster. Yeah, I took the sandpaper, gripped it around the axle, and spun the board around a few times. So